New or old, residential or commercial, any building can have hidden electrical faults in its circuitry and appliances. Despite all the current protection devices, what can still cause an electrical fire? Very localized phenomena can cause an electrical fire. All it takes is one weak point in one of the wires for things to start the ball rolling. Like this multi-socket cable, for example. Let's take a look at how a poorly terminated wire can lead to a fire. As soon as current starts to flow through, a loose termination inside the multi-socket arcs, overheats, and begins to deteriorate. The current generates electric arcs that burn even more insulation. Even a weak current can cause a fire that will spread quickly. This was how things used to be. It was hard to prevent something that started little by little and couldn't be seen. But now, you have enhanced protection against this kind of electrical fire. How? With an arc fault detection device fitted to your home's electrical switchboard. As soon as dangerous electric arcs are detected, the arc fault detection device trips and isolates the circuit before flames appear. Enjoy peace of mind knowing if an arc fault occurs in your home, an AFDD can help prevent a potentially catastrophic fire. Ask your electrician to install arc fault detection devices in your electrical switchboard and help protect what's important to you.